Hello everyone, let's learn how to play a B chord. Now a B chord is a little bit tricky because we want to put our first finger on the second fret, first string, and then put all three of our fingers on the fourth fret, so it's the same as an A but up to with the first finger down here. So that's one way to play a B. Another way to play a B is to use your third finger to bar and cover all three of these strings with one finger, which is a little bit tricky. And so I'm going to show you how to play a B7, which is another way to play a B that sounds a little bit different but close enough. So we're going to put our first finger on the fourth string, first fret, and then we're going to do 5, 3, and 1 with our second, third, and fourth fingers. So fifth string on the second fret, third string on the second fret, first string on the second fret. And that is our B7, which is close enough that you can usually use it without too much trouble. B is a tricky chord to play, just like an F is a tricky chord to play. So let's do first finger on the second fret on the first string, second finger on the fourth fret of the fourth string, third finger, third string on the fourth fret, and then fourth finger on the second string on the fourth fret. So it's an A up 2. And if it's more comfortable, you can do the same thing, just barring, using the third finger to cover those three strings. Or the B7, first finger, first fret, fourth string, and then on the second fret, the second finger on the fifth, the third finger on the third, and the fourth finger on the first. There we go.